the Jiahua machine, JH-08-550X4500, 45-degree double-head aluminum profile CNC machine inward. Machine dimensions: length 5,900 millimeters, width 1,200 millimeters, height 1,600 millimeters. Equipped with stable feeding system for smooth and reliable material handling. User-friendly operation console for easy control and setup. Automatic clamping system, ensuring secure and precise material positioning during cutting. Automatic anti-splash system, to keep the working area clean and safe. High-precision cutting saw for accurate and clean cuts. Cutting range, 107 millimeters by 210 millimeters for versatile profile cutting. Capable of cutting extra-long profiles with a maximum length of 4,300 millimeters. Capable of cutting ultra-short profiles with a minimum length of 520 millimeters. Choose Jiahua machine, choose expertise and reliability.